Okay, so what you have to do to get through this level is you have to bring the grasshopper down to the number and stick it right there. And then you have to hop the grasshopper 2 hops. So you have to take the grasshopper and you have to go 1, 2. So showing exactly how the grasshopper hops on the number line. And then you put in the total and then click OK. And then you move to the next level. So just doing that one more time, you take the grasshopper and you stick it down here on the number line, and then you show how it hops up to the answer, to the sum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can put in the correct answer.